All right, what is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host Terry, and welcome to the channel. Buy the dip. That's right, guys. Today I have one of my OTC plays that we talked about before, and now this could be a great time to take a look into this company and see if this is something you'd be interested in. Now, this company is in the OTC market, ticker symbol NEXCF, and no, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just in here talking about this company because I really do like what this company is doing. It's augmented reality. Now, there's a quick video here. This is on their website. NEXTECHAR.com is their website, the digital experience company. They do the augmented reality. And there is a video here I want you to watch. And there's also an interview with the CEO, Evan, that I want you to take a look at as well. And then you can get on here and check out the website and see if this is something that you'd be interested in. But let's go ahead and play the video here, guys. All right, guys, so there is the video right there I wanted you to see. This is right on their homepage on their website, nextchar.com. I'll have this down. I think I'll put this down in one of the pinned comments. That way you guys can click on it. There's a lot of information here. Like I said, I just wanted to bring this to your attention. I'm not suggesting to buy this or anything. I think it's just one to keep on your radar, keep a lookout. Now, I'm pretty interested in it. I'll let you guys know if I do pick up some shares in this. I did have some shares of this a long time ago. I bought in at like $1.30 or something like that, and I did sell it for a good profit when this stock jumped above like $4 or so. So I made a pretty good profit on that, and now we're down to $2 with this bear market. It's looking a little attractive again. So guys, let's get in here and take a listen to the interview with the CEO.
Nextech AR just launched a new version of its music app, Airshow. And we are going to be talking to CEO Evan Gappelberg about this. But Evan, before we get into that, just give me a little background. We've talked before, but somebody may didn't see our conversation. Can you talk a little bit about the company and, I mean, where you're traded? I know you're over the counter. Just give me a background.
Sure. We're listed on the NASDAQ under the symbol NEXCF. The stock trades 400,000 or 500,000 shares a day. It's a pretty liquid stock, and I think our share price is right around $5, $4.50 to $5, right in that range. So, yeah, I mean that's our market cap.
That's real. So, so tell me a little. So you're a pioneer in the AR space, and one thing that was really interesting the previous time that we talked was that you're kind of a pure play in AR, where a lot of companies are in this, but it's a small part of their overall company. You're actually kind of ahead of some of the big tech companies, and when it comes to augmented reality.
Yeah, when you look at the industry, you have all these big players like Apple, where AR is just this tiny little fraction of their business, whereas with Nextech, it is our business. Augmented reality is where we started. We have a full tech stack, be it web AR, which is augmented reality without an app. You don't need an app, which eliminates a lot of the friction points. Whether you want to use augmented reality for e-commerce, we have a solution for that. For education, we have a solution for that. For entertainment, today we just announced that we released our new 2.0 version of our Airshow app, which is human holograms for the music industry. So you can have a hologram of your favorite musician or star or thought leader in your home with you, as if they're there, but it's actually just a hologram. So yeah, we have a lot of tech that is within Next Tech that really sets us head and shoulders above any of the competitors, and really defines us as the pure play augmented reality company.
Now, some really futuristic, fascinating stuff. And we introduced a little bit with the music app, but there's also, you have an AI chat that was launched, and this is something kind of Zoom is just now getting going on, or tell me about that.
Yeah, so there's a company called Hopin, which has a almost a $3 billion valuation. They have an events platform, basically. We also have an events platform, which was every bit as valuable, in fact, more valuable, because we have AR in our events platform as Hopin. And so within that platform, this event platform, we've integrated chat with AI features, which means that if you're chatting using our chat, we could turn you into a human hologram and move you out of the screen into the room with the person you're chatting with. And so, there's video chat, there's also, just text chatting. It's got AI and AR. So within the chat, you can have an AR experience. And then if you think about that chat functionality, we could break it out of the platform and have it as a standalone product and sell it to other companies, which is a whole nother revenue opportunity for Next Tech. So lots of technology, lots of new technology that we keep bringing to market, and super exciting time for us.
And any other plans or goals you have?
Yeah, 2021 is going to be a breakout year for us. We're global. We grew in 2020 from 30 employees to 235 employees in 1 year. And that was 2020. In 2021, we're starting off with 235. I actually think we're up to 245 employees now, because our business is demanding that we keep hiring. When you look at our technology, it applies to e-commerce, it applies to education, it applies to virtual events. And so when you add it all up, it's over $7 trillion in total addressable market. And when you think about that kind of opportunity, Gene, you need an A+ team to tackle that big a number. And so I think it's important to note that my COO is an 18-year SAP veteran. My CMO is from Apple Computer. My chief channel officer is from VMware. My chief experience officer is from Disney. The president of our ad network was the president of Microsoft Online, who ran a $10 billion ad network for Microsoft. He's now the president of Next Tech's ad network. And then when you look at my global expansion opportunities, we have the director of our APJ region, Yao Boon, who is from IBM. And so it's a lineup of all-stars is really the messaging here, is that we're talking about guys that have come from multi-billion-dollar companies to join Next Tech and turn us into the next multi-billion-dollar tech company.
Okay, well, we look forward to getting updates as you reach your goals, Evan. So great to talk to you again.
Great to talk to you, Jane.